Coskun from Tulum Restaurant is taking us to the streets of Turkey today with a delicious kofte recipe, but not kofte as we know it. I mean, kofte is usually, is it like a meatball or a meat dish?
That's correct. So we also call it Cig Kofte. So
Okay.
when you translate it in English, it's like a raw meatball.
Okay.
But because of the regulation in Turkey and it's a street food, so they take it out the meat, but the rest of the ingredients is still in there and it's still delicious without meat.
Fantastic. So, you know, street vendors, they're nifty. They know alternative ways to do it and it tastes delicious, right?
Amazing.
So, what is this, Coskun?
So this is the fine bulgur, so bring everything together.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put everything into this bowl, including all the spices.
All right. You love your
So-
spices. Tell me what we've got.
Paprika in it, black pepper.
Right. And I do find with your cuisine you use a lot of fine black pepper.
Yes.
Okay.
So we don't want that texture like when you bite. So we don't want that spice. And also, of course, cumin.
Okay.
And that is very special.
this?
We call it isot. So that's like a smoked chili pepper.
Oh, wow.
That goes in.
It's got a really deep, savoury flavour to it. It's fantastic.
And also extra special for me, it's the sumac. So that's give the dish like some sourness.
Yeah, that's one of my top 5 spices, I think.
That's all in. And also I'm going to add a little bit salt.
Okay.
And then we're going to mix them all together.
Right.
So
Fantastic.
now I'm adding all the spices in it before I put the hot water.
Okay.
So maybe you can add them in.
That was boiling, wasn't it?
Boiling water.
There we go.
Just a little bit, mix them all together. So probably need like between 5 to 10 minutes,
Right. And we've got a tea towel here to cover it up.
please. So while it's happening, maybe you could grate the onion and I grate the tomatoes.
Oh, you got the easy grating. Onion grating. All right, get to work.
Okay, so let's see. So
really
all the water absorbed.
Yes, well done, doesn't it?
Yeah. So before we put them into the mixer,
Yep.
I'm going to grate the garlics.
Okay.
So while I'm doing grate the garlic, can you please squeeze out all the water from the onion?
Okay.
So we don't need that water.
Why don't you want the water in?
So when you use the water in this dish, it's become more bitter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we don't want that. So all we have to do, put them in a mixer.
And so why do you use a mixer for this? So what's the consistency or the texture that we're going to get?
All we need is the fine bulgur almost become like a mashy.
Okay, and sticky, kind of sticky?
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah.
So that goes in. So now we're gonna add the capsicum paste. So that gives some color as well. And the tomato paste. And all of the grated tomatoes. So after the tomatoes, I'm gonna add all the grated onions.
Yeah. And how long do you beat it for now?
Probably we need another 5 minutes. So you can actually see they almost come together. It's become more stickier.
Yeah.
So almost after 5 minutes,
Yep.
I made in the molasses.
Right. It's going to make it nice and sticky.
Nice and sticky, but I'm just gonna keep a little bit
Yeah.
for last minute serving.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add some ice in it. Not too much because we don't want paste, but we still want sticky.
Okay.
So it's after 5 to 10 minutes, as you see, they all become like a one paste and they're still like a sticky.
It's amazing.
Look at this consistency.
To think that it's a vegan dish.
It is a vegan dish. So I think we're ready to go.
Okay.
So I would love to give you one.
Yep. So we just grab a little...
Yeah,
Like
like
that.
probably like this much.
Oh, wow, yeah, it's so
And then
sticky.
put them on top. Again, like a very party style food too.
Yeah. Yeah, because you just pick it up and you eat it like that and quite healthy. I want to talk about the little bit of ice that we added right at the end. That's quite interesting. Why did you do that?
It's a great technique too, actually. So the reason that we use it, so you can control the temperature as well, but also the amount of the water goes in.
That's very interesting. All right.
So there's some lemon in here. So you could just go in half. You could even like put it around too.
Yep. Beautiful.
But what will I do? I give you one. Squeeze the lemon on it. And also molasses.
Oh, extra molasses. Whoa.
Have a
Lovely.
try.
Okay. It's so beautiful. It really is. And the spices, the texture of it is just incredible because it's moist. And to think this started with that dry bulgur wheat and it's become really tender, moist, and the flavours are just so good. Street food made a little bit fancy.
Amazing.
Thank you.